Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi if you're new. As you guys might be able to tell by the title down below, I'm going to be sitting down and chit-chatting with you guys, answering your questions in this Q&A / life update, and I couldn't be more grateful and excited to have you guys here. So if you are new and haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. Tomorrow is September 1st, which is so crazy to me, and I couldn't be more excited because surprise, surprise, I am committing to daily videos on my YouTube channel. I'm so excited and I'd love to have you guys over here. So definitely hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends. I am so excited. I have my content calendar in front of me. I'm gonna be doing vlogs, routine videos, outfit of the week videos, Talkative Tuesdays coming back. It's gonna be so much fun, and I'm also gonna be introducing some fall topics because I feel like September is fall. My birthday's in September. It's just gonna be a really fun month, and I feel like my life is slowly getting back to normal, which I'm so grateful for. So I wanted to do a little video just chit-chatting with you guys because I feel like I haven't sat down and chatted with you guys, like really chatted. And also this summer was just so hectic and so crazy. The whole month of August I went back down to 2 videos a week so I could prep for September. I've already have some of the videos filmed. It's gonna be so great. I'm so excited. So I just wanted to sit down and chit chat with you guys. So I think starting off like a little backstory before we get into the Q&A, which I asked over on my Instagram and my Snapchat, so be sure to go check those out. I do love adding you guys back on Snapchat, and I love connecting with you guys over on Instagram, and I'm so grateful for all of the platforms. Summer was going really well until I want to say the end of June. It was the 27th. You guys might have heard me talk about this before, but my Instagram got deactivated, which I've been growing for 10 years now, and it was just really hard to like handle such an unexpected thing, and I really struggled with like figuring out what I wanted to create, who I am, because that was such a big part of me. Like that was something I did every single day since I was in high school, and then it also affected my brand. So thankfully I have slowly got through that, and I'm going to be talking about more of that kind of stuff on Talkative Tuesday. So any of that is relatable. It can also kind of go with other things, but that was a really kind of a downfall for my summer, and I'm excited to bounce back up after that. But I thought, what a better way than daily videos in September to kind of get back in the groove of things, and that's also going to be posting on socials. And I also recently just redid my blog, which is at Kellyprepster.com. I spent a lot of time on it, and I'm so excited, and I'm so excited to get back into vlogging, and I'm hoping the daily videos will inspire me and kind of push my work ethic a little bit. But we did go on vacation, so it was just kind of a hectic July because it happened at the end of June. So then August came around and I felt like I was playing catch up, but I also thankfully started pre-filming for September. Kind of sounds weird, but I'm really trying to get ahead for the next month. But that is a little life update. We also signed our lease to stay in our apartment for another year, so we've been here for a whole year, which is so crazy to me, but I'm so grateful. That was like another thing that was like on the plate of like what could change, what could go wrong. Like thankfully we got like reapproved and everything, so it's just been really crazy busy behind the scenes kind of thing. But going into your guys' questions, I think that's like really the big things that happened in life. Also started 75 Day Hard. I feel like over the summer with everything that happened created immense amounts of stress in my life. So then unfortunately I fell off my workout game, gained some weight, yada yada yada. So here we are trying to get back into my life. So I thought it'd be fun to start with the questions that are on Instagram. Be sure to follow me over on Instagram. You guys might have been following my old account and don't even realize you're not following me anymore, so definitely please take a minute and go over there. The first question is, what are you currently doing for your workouts? And I love this question because I touched on it a little bit. We are doing 75 Day Hard, and you guys might have heard of this. So it's where you challenge yourself for 75 days to drink a gallon of water, work out 2 times a day, 45 minutes, 1 outside, 1 inside. So it's like 90 minutes total. You read 10 minutes each day. There's no cheat meals, there's no alcohol, and there's one more thing, and you have to take a progress picture every single day. I love it. I just feel like it was the perfect end of summer challenge for me, and it just like lines up really well with like Thanksgiving and December and the holidays and everything, so I'm really excited for that. So with that, my workouts, I've been doing a lot of HIIT on the Peloton or just Peloton classes. I'm taking some of their strength classes also. My favorite instructor currently is Hyundai. I think that's how you pronounce her name. I love her energy. If you guys have a Peloton or the Peloton app, definitely go check it out. But I also have a playlist on my YouTube where I do daily videos. They're not me doing it. It's like Chloe Ting workouts. I love them. There's just like a little variety. So if I'm not feeling the Peloton, I'll do YouTube workouts or just go for a walk outside. What's your upload schedule for YouTube videos? So recently I've been doing Wednesday, Friday, but come tomorrow, I'm gonna start with daily videos for the whole month of September. And then after that, we're gonna kind of figure out what's next for October. But also I am announcing a huge giveaway tomorrow. So be sure to come back or check out my Instagram for that because it's gonna be a subscribe and follow kind of thing. Really excited about it. Are you still selling bracelets? Okay, I have a lot of bracelet questions about my Etsy, which is just a Kellyprepster studio. I have a whole YouTube channel on it. Yes, I do weekly videos over there as well with beading and packing orders, and I love it. I need to actually list a bunch of bracelets, but I think they should be up by the time this video goes up. How long have you been making bracelets and what inspired you to do them? So I started making them, I want to say like 4 summers ago, maybe 3 summers ago, and it was when the Visco was really trendy and I just wanted to make some for myself. I shared it with you guys and you were like, please sell them. So that's what actually started my Etsy, besides just selling like a merch sticker. So I'm really excited about it. What is your favorite song off Harry's new album? Gosh, I love Harry Styles' new album, Harry's House. I think my favorite song is Keep Driving. I think it just fits really well with the summer that I had. It kind of just, you have to keep going in life and I find it really motivating. What's your next trip planned? I don't think I have any big trips. We just got back at the beginning of August from our beach vacation. We'll probably go on our little winter getaway that we do every year, and that's just to like Indianapolis. It's so much fun. We go like see the zoo lights and go do all these Christmassy holiday activities. Speaking of, should I do Vlogmas? Let me know, I'm so curious. Any apartment updates? Yes, like I mentioned, we just re-signed our lease, so I'm so excited. I don't think we have any like furniture updates. Like there's stuff that we're saving money for and everything, but nothing really too crazy has changed. It's just excited to be here for another year. What is your hair washing schedule? Okay. I feel like everyone has such a different opinion on this. I try my best to wash my hair every single day. I personally like it, especially with working out so much. I feel like I just get gross. I know that's TMI, but otherwise it's like every other day. It just depends. I did have my hair trained for a while, but again, with the 2-a-day workouts, I need it like a clean. It starts to smell kind of weird, but I don't use heat on my hair every day, so I think that's how it's gotten so long, which I absolutely love. I have some more questions. Can you give us a few skincare tips for clear face? I've tried so many remedies for clear skin, but nothing seems to be working. Okay, probably not the best person to ask about this, just since I don't have too much acne. I currently have like a few blemishes on my face, and I think they're stress induced, which lowering your stress intake can help your skin a lot, which sounds kind of crazy, but it is a factor of hormonal acne, I guess. And then also I love, and like I mentioned with the hair washing, wash your face every single day. I started doing this with Pixie products just because I was part of their PR list, but now I kind of venture out. I like it burst, but I'll do a like wash when I'm in the shower, or if I'm not in the shower, I'll just like do like a soapy water wash with a little eraser rag, but also take off your makeup before you go to bed. I used to be so bad at that, but it really does make a game changer. And it's also just like, it makes sense because if you sleep with it, it's gonna like get in your pores and everything. How do you find the perfect contrast for outfits? I love this question. So I think a big thing is just like learning the color wheel. I'll put a picture on the screen. Some colors go really well together. Some of them aren't really recommended to go well, but again, I'm a huge believer in rules are meant to be broken. So if like they're your favorite colors and you can pull it off, by all means. I'm a huge believer in every outfit is a perfect outfit as long as you're confident in it. So if you have confidence with your outfit, it's going to be a great outfit. Like some colors just go really well together. So like pink and yellow, it's kind of a bold combo. Like you can mix pink and red. Blues usually go really well together, blue and white. There's just like certain color palettes that go really well together. Also patterns, like typically if you do like a solid colored pants, so like if you're wearing jeans and then add a printed top, that's a really fun, easy combo to wear. Wedding stuff. Okay, I've been getting a lot of questions about weddings since I'm engaged. I love it. It's so fun. So we actually haven't really we sat down and chatted a little bit, but we're really focusing on saving as much money as we can currently. So each week we'll save a certain amount and put it into our saving account. So we have a savings account together, and we put money into it, and then we decided come January we're gonna really sit down and figure out what both of us want. So that is all I can really say on that. Like, I have some ideas, but nothing's really set in stone yet. But if you guys have any wedding planning tips, let me know. Which bracelet is your favorite that you made for an Etsy order? I think I can't like pick one specifically, but I love making all the custom orders. I think they're just so special, and it makes me so happy when you guys like share your picture of you wearing it on the review, because then I get to see you guys wearing it, or sometimes you'll send me like Snapchats and it just warms my heart. What do you think the biggest difference have been in your style since you first started YouTube to now? This is a great question. So Kellyprepster, Prepster is not actually my last name at all, and it's just because I like the preppy style and my family called me Kelster, so I took preppy and put Prepster. And oh my gosh, I used to dress so like brand heavy, so like I'd wear J. Crew, Vineyard Vines, Polo, Lily Pulitzer, and like very strict to that. And I feel like now I'm kind of like, I'll branch out and try new things, but also feel like I used to wear like a really like put together look. Like I always had like a little polo on, which I think is so cute. I love that look. I think I've just definitely worn a more relaxed look and kind of included a few more trends into my style, but that's just like growing as a person, and kind of your style develops a little bit more. And then we are going to end this Q&A with what is something that makes you happy. And I am going to be really cheesy and say you guys make me super happy. I love reading and responding to all your comments. You guys seriously make me smile so much, so thank you so much for supporting me. That is the end of this Q&A. If you have any more questions, let me know in the comments down below. I do read and respond back to every single one of you guys. I love chit-chatting. If you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button, and be sure to check out tomorrow's video to stay tuned on what the giveaway is. Follow me over on Instagram. I will put my socials on the screen, and I just hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next new video. Bye guys.